kill her.
Slow. There you are. You know, there are moments when I actually miss you. But no one understands this universe like you did. No one understands me like you did.